Hey guys, it's Dr. Karan Campbell back for another chat. Today we're going to be talking about teeth grinding. And one of the questions that I get asked frequently is, Doc, I've been told that I grind my teeth. Why is that a big deal? Who cares? I grind my teeth. Why is that a problem? Tooth grinding is an issue because it can affect things both inside and outside of your mouth. When you grind your teeth, you can cause fractures in the enamel, okay? And the enamel is the only part of the body that doesn't heal itself. So when you cause fractures in the enamel, the only way to fix that and stop the tooth pain is to get a root canal or a crown or whatever it's going to take for that particular tooth to get out of pain. One of the other things that grinding your teeth can cause is problems with your joint. It can cause headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain. Everything in this area is all connected. So grinding your teeth can cause a problem with that as well. One thing that people don't realize is that clenching and grinding your teeth can also be a sign of a sleep-related breathing disorder. Does any of this apply to you? We don't know. We won't know until you come in and get a consult. If you have any questions or any concerns, come on in and see us at the office. Thanks.